Mastering phrases, step by step. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very common English phrase, step by step. Understanding these phrases can really boost your fluency and help you sound more like a native speaker. So let's break it down, step by step. Step by step is an adverbial phrase that describes a process happening in a sequential and gradual manner. When you do something step by step, you are tackling it one stage at a time, ensuring that you understand or complete one phase before moving on to the next. Why is this phrase so important? It emphasizes patience and attention to detail. When learning a new language, it's crucial to approach it step by step so that you can fully grasp each concept before proceeding. Let's see how step by step can be used in sentences. Learning English. I am learning English step by step with a tutor. Cooking. The recipe book shows you how to bake the cake step by step. Problem solving. To solve this math problem, you must follow the instructions step by step. There are variations of the phrase that carry similar meanings, such as bit by bit, little by little, and gradually. These can be used interchangeably in many contexts. And that's step by step for you. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and taking it step by step can make the process less overwhelming and more enjoyable. Keep practicing, and you'll see improvement step by step. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful.